Hi everyone, welcome back to Nancy Artwork. So today it's a part 2 of You Can Draw series. So in the last series we realized that you can make simple straight lines, you can do multiple practices, practice to actually train your wrist, your fingers. Now is the part 2 where I left the part 1 was to train your eyes to look upon the object, break them into simpler parts, identify those simpler shapes, geometrical shapes into it, and then join them. Let's do it.
Okay, so in this session, what I'm going to do is I'm going to work upon training my eyes. That's why I have picked upon in first session the 2D shapes. In 2D shapes, you will not find any depth. Okay, so this is the particular t-shirt I have picked upon, and how you have to train your eyes now. You have to first mark as a focal point, one focal point into your artwork. So let me see, I mark this as a focal point over here, and then I will freely rotate my hand. Okay, I will freely rotate my hand from here. I will again mark a point over here. I will freely rotate my hand. Whatever I see, I make. These are simple line practices which you have done in exercise 1. You might not be perfect, and that is okay. This is just to train your hands and eyes together. We are still not hitting the exact shapes. It's okay. Okay. So this is what I draw. The multiple times you do this practice, your eyes will start moving with your hand together. Okay, when your hands get into the practice of doing this movement with the eyes, which will take a little time, then you can go into the exact shapes and sizes of your picture. What you can do is you can actually break down this whole picture into simpler shapes. Okay, and the simpler shapes can be like, I can identify one square over here, sorry, one rectangle over here, one rectangle over here, which I have marked, right? There's a one small semicircle over here, then few lines, and then a bigger rectangle over here. Okay, and then I have redrawn the same thing. Your semicircle, your lines, your rectangle, again a bigger rectangle joining from the top, and then joining again as a line. Okay, so this will become a simpler concept for you to identify that what are the lengths and the sizes. You can also be very appropriate by using a scale, which I'm not doing it right now. We'll do it another session. This is just to train your eyes. Okay, so first exercise is to do a free hand when you look upon only the object, not the shape, and just keep on making your hand move the way you see the object. Second exercise, in the same object which you draw, try to identify the simpler shape so that you can go more exact. And then if there is a 1, then again I have broken down into one simple rectangle, again a bigger rectangle, and then again a bigger rectangle, and then you can join finally, right? You can do a join by a free flow hand because you have practiced enough with this exercise. Okay, so that was it for exercise or day 2. I hope you would have enjoyed doing it. This will take a little longer than what you have done in part 1. However, it will be great that whenever you hit day 2 of exercise, which is like training your eyes, I would request you to first warm up yourself with the day 1 exercises. Okay, cool. See you in the next session, and do not forget to subscribe my channel Nancy Artwork. Thank you.